Mrantiemi, you know, kama waha. Akwetia to be parliamentary candidate. Waha. Honorable Bodi.
Captain Vidiani and Estia Okumi.
Okay.
As I know, my case is so far.
Well, some of Quetia holding that morning, Galamsina Moyano.
Some person would defer for a quetie. Always say Bubu Dinya, quetie, DMP.
And a topperman any hour.
I need a call and oka. A better by saying Yano crack.
What's it?
Because me no can.
Me, my crata, Galam said, baby, my hin is a room as a collar.
Yempate mo ankasa kwetiane ne mpate mo ankasa. There be enkoso. Oti me show Captain Nyanto ba say. Me mame bubo nkro na won cho me show nkro. E betima ba say ekoso wo baby but enya kwetia me ba
me nka kwetia kro me say kwetia mpate mo.
Me show nkro me say ye on your 4 lines divisions e wa kwetia. Ofa wenchi, swabe, takrasi, kusi. 1 line. Constituency, your friends. Me Akwetia. Me so said there's nowhere Galamsey Ekoso Akwetia.
Constituency name.
Not that I know of. I'm telling you. What they saw so be for DC, you know. What I say? Me no ka say kwan ye youth na nkasa kwa complaining. Charge back home de boy and pa and say omunye adwuma nye.
Wabra Friday. Operation Vanguard for ko cost of home.
I fan no Kuben so no.
Topperman.
Not Topperman is just a single town in the constituency.
What's it? There's nowhere.
Me who say Galamsey because it be a community mining. Let's be careful what you're saying.
And community mining.
And your community mining. Oh, okay.
Now community mining never told me that way.
Oh, that's a community mining. Oh my, you call training near Dini.
Galamsey na jai. Oh,
be very sure of what you're saying.
Me see one more dada nanado.
Ah, okay, Mate. No, if there's something like that going on now, come me new ni.
Brand patcho match.
But the Mitchell said,
as I was so be were wrong half for baby minimum na. Wa. Now Udine to say.
Eric KJ. Deputy Bono Communications Officer.
Say wow. And I was first as a color assistant. The first time I say a black with
frame back on almost a son. Captain.
To anyone,
Captain. Bumbo abo my Ghana.
Hey.
Breachy and abo.
Hey.
Captain and Upia Bontia. The Ghana for can is a sika afrapata. Sana patana na do na ba patana no ne from pombo atemote apatano so. And ye Ghana for sika. Captain me ba studio have a cancer be anche. And me make reference to mine. Me feel that day me ba to say the mako abania. Captain, that was 2nd November 2019. And I make a say Professor from Pomboating woman soon was swinging in our fast as some bobre hono. Papa need tea or mine. Until was up Nanado Danko for a Ghana man penny a woman appointment or ye be found. O my enemy boni. Hey, Captain. Into an essence in a crew now. Once the Bia make a ban with connection man for whom to do Obia a connection man. Abanya uncle presidency, what Guru boys, what presidency? Oh, your presidential Guru boys, go. Guru boys, young Kauko passport office, no license office or Muguono, and then your presidential Guru boys under Nanado. Would you agree? Be bua for your presidency.
Young Kagalam say,
and no,
echo. Oh, as a would
Nanado, Mamma is so cheap.
Massa, ye can't gala.
More embarrass your man, why? Captain,
Fafon to silent. On how?
Captain, Galam says someone by a king. Hey, and you when a president, then the presidency to us. Okay, and now refi.
Me can't pay.
And the refi.
The refi about
Nanado now when himself Sabi in previous Ghana for million.
Debbie, man can't say.
Sabi. You know something.
What was a say? Ebio be boy.
Meba.
Wouldn't him you. Jidebi
Mokasan Nessie and Emede. Obi Tesono, no be one edge may be Bobby 2 for an air the show be. And Obi and Obia and Ameboa and an Eddie Obi. Yan another monk for your appointment or do be now no account with CV. What trade baby or static course couldn't be we and near spirit and yon one. And oh mind we have the men opposition. This the sound for Omuna see Omuni. Professor Frimpong Boating onim nyam oda so to office so we report to Ekwawusi ena nanado so hwe no enye wanwa because party adwuma amoye no galamsey na musimu season general secretary John Boadu crowd concession or ye galamsey according to Professor Frimpong Boating video ne recordings aba no se party ni hia sika Inti ade amusimu si ano na wasamo ye di pesika ma party because Ghana for adwin swa election time na de atomo. Ana so de ba ku bi kura na emesre. Papa ba ku mi se minka ina Ashanti region say. Ne driver te ne pick up mi se omu hia ne je pick up no. Yes. Ye je pick up no moto so na ma ne ko takwa ko oboa so ko Pristia. Later on Professor Frimpong Boating ko hia okuma so ka kire ne say aya waso by elections no omo de pick up 4 kobo anti onko hwese ne de nu and na de pick ups na mo chi no sa mo de bi ko by elections
Semena okay please with all respect to you mente
min Erika J na ka Adom FM ka ho pick ups Lydia Sayam election ya muko sani tu ogu nipa so sa galamsey cars na mo chi no mo sign de bi sponsor by election Captain enkofo esabe dodo na ya wudifo mo my Ghana mama ka sam me se dodo na anya mu nyina me ba me chusu me wasi Captain yet your mamu just last year Ekwawusi a yachini okoche cars more than 60 e was central region okay when him saw excavators ka ho
why they no chess
oh the story is there mama yin kan ma when him say Ekwawusi check cars excavators e ma constituency executive in central region
a house of a chess excavator.
Let me now kasama mini story no more. Na kroma no wahu no krasa under President Akufo-Addo no krasa bone age o my Ghana mu bu o my Ghana fa so sei ma mini story na me kan kiro Ekwawusi through Ekwawusi Foundation
what dey hwehwe na me nyama
Captain story no nie o say 23 central regional constituencies of the new patriotic party benefit from Ekwawusi Foundation. I read I said the first
site mayor.
It's here FM online. Omo Central Region wa. Omo report here. I say the first vice chairman Ekwawusi of the new patriotic party, Mr. Horace Ekwawusi, has presented a number of vehicles to all 23 constituencies in the NPP in the region. The vehicles are to be used for commercial purposes to generate income for the party in the region. Speaking at the launch of the foundation in Cape Coast on Monday, the founder and president of the foundation, Mr. Horace Ekwawusi, said the donation formed part of the effort by the foundation to alleviate poverty from the region. He said the foundation has targeted 3 aspects of development, which include education, especially for girl child, health and economic empowerment. Mr. Ewusi indicated that the motive for the gesture was hinged on lessons he drew from his upbringing, adding the best way to eradicate poverty is to empower the people with the need to support fend for themselves. Also, at the lunch, an amount of 100,000 was donated towards the acquisition of school buses for Feteman Senior High School, meaning say o donati sika ma Feteman Senior High School. And I sign donati sika nso ma Abura Sebu kwa Mankese district. And I sign call 8 constituencies receive 4 cars each. 10 constituencies receive 3 cars each. 4 constituencies receive a bus and 2 excavators each. This is the story. Ekwawusi kwa ya this donation de ma MPP constituency executives no work galamsey task force. Ahi no nya sika no party for na ehwa no or some party krono ene mo se Ekwawusi ayeden. Professor Frimpong Boating omo chi niam na ahi na omo de ko when na ma approval omo take inventory. Ano nim sa Ghana for ehuru yanim kosro. I keep telling you free education ebe ye mess ama Ghana. You know the reason why? And Kwadana and Nesua no Professor Frimpong Boating mo and your momento. Ekwawusi mo na your momento. And look at what these people are doing in the system.
Debbie, let me try it here. As we speak now, there's no evidence.
Me say, Professor Frimpong watching them challenging several times.
There's no evidence to any fact.
Me say, Captain, say
Professor Frimpong watching implicated in this matter.
Captain.
The only thing I hear yet to be confirmed this video.
Me say, Papa no, or you involved in Galamsey.
Okay.
I me be kind of platform no say ne ba penny na your friend Jojo Frimpong watching no. E dey adwuma no ye. I can get you pictures of Jojo Boateng. Forest here.
Hey.
Yes, I have it on my phone. And these people, they think say Ghana na your modia. And I Ghana no say ye di jaumu. So they can use Ghanaians for anything I thought that they amono pay. Captain video ni pictures no. When the banner na wo no. Fama no. Jojo Frimpong Boateng. Ne banner na gyina ho no. Galamsey side of forest num. Hwe de omo ye. Professor Frimpong Boateng first born. Obi a wokosua asase bo bremu nyansa ne de keka wahu de ode yo my Ghana entimi na nakosua atwene wo timi kro mu a ono ye illiterate ogidi so obedi o my Ghana wu said Professor Frimpong Boateng ni team ne ye no, and you are coming to do cover up. Odi ekwa wisi na be cover up. The guy should talk. Ekwa wisi bone de wadi bi pa ba anyo no kwa ne di ye teamwork.
Only evidence.
Me say teamwork. I told you, we studio Hanam Kaze, Galamsey task force a lot. Frosters. And they did no. Now nim they trigger all this. Some of them call for na yaji or excavators no. But I de makuma 40. And or de Ghana a bank court. And I had the Professor Frimpong Boateng. Enti two. Sa obe ya de be cover no. Quickly no ba bonten say excavator say iraira. Enti yanko che ekwauzi. Na excavator a pen drive. Say excavator da ho na yira unim excavator afidie ya yede ye kwan ho adwuma low bed kura fa enya de ketua yo maako henum na na do dan kwa kufu ado onim ni nyina because I didn't start enya ne. And Captain, don't forget excavator yire de twaso ba nipa ba yira Ghana because say excavator timi yira ne nipa de wo yira say simple. Abain baako pay just last month. Motoken mako 400. And then na bobo ye too fast ro. E de krono ben kwa na mobo ne sa.
Dabo taba me nido. Semembo kasie dido essential powdered milk no ewo ho ebeboa pa. Me kosuku no ye de bi ko. But nido semen kan cho se 30 empty sachets of nido 14 grams and not 20 of the 26 grams and not 2 of the 365 grams no. Wunya bia wode jan one botre ye wa chede so nko a ye de ebe ma se wo return sa niamanya nido empty ni na na ye be ma scratch card wo win shopping vouchers, school bags, exercise books and free products. Nestle Nido, your love, their future. Fright was said, "I want him that 100,000 Ghana cedis is say power. Wouldn't Madrian and Waben Wame Fidi Gadochi. I've grown a no one form. Until with the old cost now share Joy Prime. Wouldn't the Musa near this canama say bam when I chrono. Tisha and Sosa Famae. Freddy's corner say young country TVs, fridges, air conditioners, mobile phones, laptops, printers, gas cookers, home theater stabilizers, microwaves, CCTV cameras, water dispensers, washing machines, and Bluetooth speakers in Nano. Yeah, they are. Yon Bucho. Would the answer Obano be talk about Sanchawadia Kahona de Kofri? Pacho baby, I want a car park, Papa, or Hobeja baby, Janapak. What? Often was 0544 9591 955 Bejo. So, Freddy's corner, your authentic source of latest mobile phones and accessories. Share club, don't so ecoso. As I say, Obana, Nijina, you woman, Obana, for which me back home. Obekanwana ye chawadia, na when in so j. Wood fuel, wood lubricants, and I a shell shop one, would to be a one, now build all points, now build all points, now build all points. No, if you're not person once and pa, over to me, I call your website shell.com.gh and after 0242436900. Yebejo so Shell set terms and conditions apply. Vodafone, so we hear data at their browser. I didn't say we coaching. We hear Vodafone. The future is exciting. We then dial star 700 hash. Yeah, I'm custom show. Say 10 Ghana crowd be browse sa abedwa. Obube 15 solid days. Now the be browse. Pay na de hen na pe. Patron tem so. Shenan so mame na fe kojibi. Vodafone, the future is exciting. Grace Homeopathy Clinic Isibra, general consultant, laboratory services, general body scan, physiotherapy, and dietary counseling in no Ewoho. What the answer of 020 006 7500. Then you can say yes, stroke, diabetes, infertility, hypertension, heart problems, fibroid, prostate cancer, arthritis, rheumatism, ulcer, need a cow in and a shower. Yeah, and juicy cow. A drone out. Obetona na betua no so kra yasan chem aka ho de amao your body na catch ball last stop wa ti ofe 055 6181 666 yabejo so Grace Homeopathic Clinic, a mission from God for humanity. Go TV Sebra, we hear Go TV. Papa, we hear Go TV. And we bet me a bois pa. He so pesa wota. Would they just text Go TV to 1731. And to say, see, our person will talk Go TV. Would text it Go TV, no. Capital G, capital O, small t, small v. Now they call 1731. Yeah, she show near the abro 89 Ghana City Sipe. Will be near sem. Go TV, live it, love it. Awake, purified drinking water. So in super papa, one of the sending paya there. The 1 million Ghana City is called National Cardiothoracic Center, Hall, Kolebu Teaching Hospital, Dada. And to the would answer all the talk. No one come ya de be how no yet media show why pacho friends 0262 351 251 need do so the man remfi say no don't throw one ne hunya mani nyina de ye yuso wi nkekani na abobo no de sesabobom kekabobom na wo de brenya ye be ma card wo sekrache so achede bia dam bia wo de a wo na wo kro no asempafo enso so efiada ebe na si knowing me, knowing you. Special Valentine promo. Offer 0546 382287. 0546 382287. Na afi weti me abohun komo eye. Senior
Captain. The chair here for ne benefit and pay ne Ghana man penny na bedi na before I make comments so Akwetia there, let me re-emphasize it. Say there's no galamsey going on in Akwetia. I'm being serious. Because me no Akwetia they no hear me. I've been there and almost every week I'm there. Topema sema okay, it just came in mind. When say GCD4 concession or Topema or na I know say as part of time now just Ponkitano, Omuli Sibima Uncle for so let's be clear on what we are saying. To me, I can tell you
the Topema also yo.
Me say it's under GCD.
No, galamsey.
Debbie, you see there's a difference between galamsey.
Okay. Minuane.
Wadaoma.
Enti why na Debbie am the Yankofo bi Mpensenpensenmu yobi. Come on to wate.
Oh, Captain.
Emere ni ho. Me say me say Akwetia constituency no. Galamsey e koso wo ho.
Topema issue now.
Debbie, me say.
Apart from one, there's no place.
Tie bi biom. Me person ade am de Yankofo no me yobi. Me say. Wo constituency di mu no. Galamsey e koso wo ho.
Ko de ti Mpensenpensenmu say ye mbebu ni ko enye adwuma ni bi amoma yi o.
Tie me say.
Because mine ni de.
Galamsey.
Yentimi nka say mo munye o. But they have to do it right.
Galamsey.
That is the concern of this government.
Galamsey e koso. E was sa constituency dim.
But muntimi nche.
One intimi nche.
Set up.
The tosu mienu no say. Youth now so mbeye Galamsey to omunye ne right no. Obi en ho ye Galamsey right wa. And then one mo ye Operation Vanguard for na ka say one kro mo ye commercial mine na kra mom license akese ne kra no. Wo mu nyina kra to egum. Obi ese ya go. Ba wo de yanka issue na wo horo wat. Minu ane wo.
Unim Captain Galamsey Nsem aye ken Ghana man penny specialist na Adom danko Akufo-Addo. Ni team power de betu dwa efa Galamsey won say. Osusu say yensuo ne yen environment ne say ntino or by executive instrument or the some modalities we no to I make sure say yen no e be kwa akotu sa agudie no ebe make sure so mbe use the right processes na tembia metena fidie su ka asem say emprepin ye hye emra wo man mu a sometimes ana copy amanfo botom eno na mistakenly akoba ni say ebia nipa bi mo find himself ewo sa assemble nipa mo na mo say omo find himself no so no nyame ncha de say di abem and these people are answerable to the law. But say NDC ni betna na so kan nsem no pese ka no de for ye Akufo Addo na mobo esan say asembia o kan we have the act of a person and you are the enso obetim dia yan aban ni self say it's a collective decision. Asema ye ke dia betodwa me ye kenya obo amanfo di o na oya na kan na say why na appoint him. The sad story ni say when we talk about corruption, ye can nyama sisi NDC abans ye kasa nsem no ni asa kan the act of Yera Mahama kasa no di omen ni nyama bone ni dream ni keta asisha o ye that is what he doesn't want to distinguish. And ye so betina na be emotional argument na be kikem no and che say Yera Akufo Addo ye corrupt too. Ye can de aban hwe mamicho from 1957 ye be see ne aban bia face incident of corruption see the keta asisha abo aban bi. But you want yensu aban no de odi any president na nkasa otion ono ankasa de nsa for a fee ni keta asehye eno so ho it is ye nuanom je say bia
president ben no
na da wonti ni Yera Mahama nsensemi
de here
ono wo de emfa ni atwem ni nkone na anu ya airbus issue ayeken say ye obi adwen say ye be ka galamsey issue yi ni eja airbus atom dia because they do not understand the seriousness of the airbus issue. Ko China, ko Malaysia, ko the other countries somewhere involved no. O de ma ho be na ho twi to na ho twi mienu tem. O be hu ni ebesi. Obi be ko jail, obi be hwe ne nkwa, obi kwampa resign de da. Esu esan say ha de ye nim say the butcher scale ebe ye nti no. Ye nuanom face ye de be the usual NDC MPP. It will not work. Hwe ya appoint show man imra pon. Say man imra pon per article 144. Yes say ya appoint obi akọ the Superior Court of Judicature and will say nipa no a high moral turpitude. How much more nipa ye be appointing say ombe onipa or ye be to abama ni say ombe di o man so.
Okay, yembra main issue.
Me baso bam lay foundation. Now ma show the emotional argument ye nuanom mo ye no. It won't wash. Because nipa na mo peso di o de ye nua kan hwe so de. Or say Professor Frimpong Boateng any ekwa uzimu amo na mo be hwe so de ama free SHS for. Let's look at the reverse question. The your person obedi o man mu no. Na ye nyina ye gitum say wi aketa asehye di ye nya no. Ono ankasa oba no ne ho ye fidida. Dia modi ni di mo anim na mode ne be pray akwanya no. Ne nsane ne ho tiri ho nyina aye fidida. Na ye den be dware obi. That is the question that must be answered. It is all to say emotional argument. On no niche so dear mamu NDC for and mo party and the Airbus issue beto jano. It is not in doubt. Obie no awajin we chinye say and see NDC apreso. And obie so ni awajin we chinye say na omampeni mama na onti agwem. It is the question is that read this meaning so I see intermediary 5 na nkasampo oji bribe no. The purpose of the bribe was to influence the decision of government official one. At the time, now buying ben etiso. Eti omushe so dear papa ben. Okay. And omule ama inchima for. Yemra issues ne so. Uni bibi. Mini etia ana a captain so kato so say ekwa uzi bekasa. Now reading the statement, let's also obey a press conference. I think the questions now raising are legitimate. Obia or concern for corruption, and also person Ghana ma economy. Say we are corruption fighter. You should be happy for those questions are raising.
Oh sure.
Yeah. In as much as I'm here MPP Nino, questions are raising. I'm also interested because Nidia Bab and laying the foundations and mentioning those names so betting ya bubwa will clear a lot of doubt in the minds of people. Na so bebubo din kekeo. Ombubo non for evidence in tertiary because the name of the game is evidence. Etenye so betana beto ayampia abeka say Captain Smart here and also can be there be won't accept that. But also obeka it's a legitimate thing ombra and ombeka. Na no na ye bia mo kasa oba be kasa no be me I don't see anything different. Your mind we mu and Yera Akwaku anyi do ka say ya chi asem dake he's coming to sing like a canary bird. Otonyom ne koyin ekosi sen ekosi say amu program why enkosi hwe de ni sawo mu no he will face the law. Yera Akufo Addo show Ekwazi is a member of our party. At the end of the day,
you're just another member.
Yes, at the end of the day, Sam Rani Nidi, he's been arrested. He's facing the law. Until where comes the charge against Yera Akufo Addo? And then I make sure say, Emri Biatri so be betonyum like a canary bird still want to she. It is beyond the sensation. There is legality, and legality will prove or will be on the side of the person who is right. It's at the end of the day, say yenra ekwa ko face law no. Na say Professor Frimpong Boatio so be nation HO, and those people have to face the law on their own. Yenra Kufadu will make sure they face the law. The idea on so they say. Enya no mo ka no mo ka say what you say me nye bisa say I am be excavator a pen drive and etinya area. So ka ura ka wo sin. Emra na car area o habo. Emra na confiscated cars area. Emra no mu season in 4 cars bahat no. Na cars micro sim.
What's the papa your friend?
Na sim card.
What's the papa your friend?
Car wo sin.
Ah okay.
Satan no na car sim card. Etimi di share your bottom na yakoto achini. Na micro SIM card. You see, sometimes yen yanu NDC for omunyansemu no munkwa no moti omunsemu ase. Asema banas ye kan. Let's stick to the legitimate issues. Or legitimate concern and you can raise it. All these things are okay. Say Professor Frimpong Boateng ne ba ye mining. Na se enye the right way, enye the legal means or dia. Me kasa buying koche no, police if on koche no, who ni baby I was reporting na. Go and make a case against him. Don't come and sit here and show me pictures. How do I ascertain the veracity of the picture? How they train me no? It's someone yen ka we nyina e den na chese nukwem. Because Saudi when ni be hu so be to mining alone, it's not enough to prove say nipa ne ye galamsey. You need to see the document behind mining na nipa ne ye no. Asa na wetimi don say sisimpe so aka say yen yen former gudi a otu nye kwan papa so and ogusu tu.
But apart from large scale miners, they him be na buying ama kwan say yen.
What's apart from large scale mining? Man, was a community mining.
And where shall say that be?
I can't tell unless we verify. So we can verify. But my point is that same way say no can. I will say you should be careful. And near bus and Mpensenpensenmu almost say government official one may name mini panansa. Yen chain because better about say by the time our evidence in the about no then ye Ramahama. Nan you okay ye. What Yabo Professor Frimpong Manson Badin. Or no, the Yemuni Kumfo.
Professor Frimpong Manson,
that's all Bonnie D.
Frimpong Boateng Dino boy.
Oh, sorry for Professor Frimpong
Boateng.
Professor Frimpong Boateng Dino boy. And in the bedding. Or no, the Yemuni Kumfo. Obi dear the entry. Nakamo dear crampo dear. Yen nim crampon. It is very evident, say. Nani pass me sin a war be morning in penny for. It would yet. Once we are conjecturing, you know. I didn't na mumba out na mumba stating chair say I am the anye ramama na minia Stephen minia UKJ out yanum say ono no di dom nanim. What would have happened? Omuti my imu o de mobin kan chom say me na skumi kwa menya aba adwuma no me corrupt on ba be press conference who do e okroma on my ebinie something as petty as you can ever think of on my press conference on what is preventing them from coming out? Would imagine say why are they leaving us in a mood of conjecture and speculating? And see all my benso. Nam penny phone you document in you. Can't somebody own up? It's identity no more meka.
Okay.
By sending a bit or not that and who say obey decide we are katakata so it won't work. Because I deal we are in Guasia Magan am I. Na idea say yen nyina some trofo politicians or be also we are interested in fighting corruption. Then you shouldn't sleep over this. Because sen amidi kankan so be kwako dia dia e your court akesie mu kwampa. You say ni suban and ni moral when should be of higher quality. Na wo a wo pese obedi o man nanim no. Wan ka se fie dwaye o deda. Na ya hwen eya me ya say the last time we go through constitution na me hwe say such a provision should be there. I bet me preclude such persons from even contesting on elections. Ayamiya say yemra ponda honum na provision bia ni o say that dey me dwe ho sam say Ghana ye de nia media agrachiu. By now people should be recusing themselves. People should be stepping aside as presidential candidates and allow rightful people and the rightful thinking members of society to make good judgment. And then you know ebi mati omwegu moti ni esre ni eferi ni say on my mu bonisia near that for ye nyina ye ho on say galam say issue I can confo dia betodwa eso ebi motive ni omu vision ni say o say de yan aban no o say de ka for aban no na de ka for aban na obede nya solution to the problem eno tin na obetime nya NDC phobia Omba betina radio sube defende boni anase dream anase kete shishe say. Onipa ye kana say mi enye kro enye mienu nye miensa aye nine. Na nipa every day biya ye boldin say akwesi asumesi wo de wa bokron no ene ye se wa bokron no o chan so abo ni nyina wo se enye nokwe esi den na enye nokwe kana zo issue bae ani ye ka Safford issue ni wasem yanka se de bre aban no ye se de bre ye rura mahama ojiye no kre so mo confirm me ye rura manase documentary nya it shows ojiye omo aso jutum so mo jiye na na office of the president. A major issue, yes, citing as a person, not a government. That is what we are talking about. By now, say ni wo and such a person and can no kwaso nyaji diempo or pesobi. But now you have a group of people. Omati omugum bontin so our motive ne say they want to defend this. O dia fanu copy court. Omba bejina wa be dede. They will come in their numbers because they don't understand. Say. Aside the collective responsibility, an individual must carry himself well. It is a nippanankasa obedi abemun. She in some way can you bisa say, oh, Nessa Macas aba excavator we are won't. And the excavator then bien abeka. Excavator nipa ubonidi. Or see obekasa. Actually, baby excavators no. Actually, nipa man instruction. A day bien yanka.
Efe. My idea.
It is the right thing to do. I don't hear what now.
Oh, okay.
What is your problem? A day into your loss. Your loss because there's foreseeability of harm. Yen himself be betting me a no. Your loss because yen himself be betting me. I am born in our bonia and ran nini bedi.
I can't 4 minutes.
It is how say a crime ben ye faso ekutia ketasisha. Nipan has been arrested. A crime ben is biosun and kause or see a con. But I think I didn't question them near Bunko to Japanicho. Minto was here. It will question the fire by anything.
Captain, somewhere 2009, late September, there was a similar case and Airbus there no. Like nene Airbus Nsem bia. And also UK brooch mem. And the same court, a ruling by. Na friend Maybe and Johnson. That's kind of sobe kaya. That was when court no ruling nearby and it say company be with UK. Omo a multinational company. Omoni o maya hodu opi na ye juma. No mo susu so mo bribe authorities nansa. Omo ye juma di aden edi. Nti uba o my Ghana ye bo mpanimfo ahodu obi din se. Omo susu se company ni bribe sam mpanimfo no. No more into construction bridges near daddy. And son I do more about my Ghana. And penny for a bobo mudina obi. That is a Ura Kwame Prasat. I'm not a board chairman, Emma Senate. Dr. Joyce Payanki, no so kaho. No a former minister for health. Alaji Amadou Seidu, no a minister of state. Baba Kamara, that I'm not a Ghana High Commissioner to Nigeria. Boniface Abubakar Sadek, no a former minister for works and housing. Brigadier General Lord Ativo, no a managing director for Intercity, that is STC, and Mr. Atokwashi, former minister of roads. Omode omo ruling nebat said the way aban. You know, we have international law said they're not can any of the municipal laws. Never any of the municipal maybe oh may cancel much into time our case in the bar yeah can well oko kan abrofono ruling no modern bana. There's no how Mwajia to me say any BB or Ghana here born. They believe say oh they believe say BB oh
nothing no can
believe say
but they be the okay first okay be
Omo believe say Captain Omo believe say
say Omo anka say BB boni SC organizer
see me man can say A or B or Ghana Hawaii boni
Omo kan
but in the report intermediary 5 is onim no cry.
That's them now come.
Let me talk. Captain,
yeah.
You're so distracted.
What's intermediary 5 for science? What's you say? Well, no, movie from.
Let me talk.
Intermediary 8 the 3 as a man. So I'm fan comment intermediary 5.
There be unya to was every time ne. What's me time was me that's Captain. It is someone American. Court need the ruling ne buy no. Oh my Ghana. True even mo pro pressure group afago sound use. Omo petition the commerce strike. That was also in 2009. Now your papa me short and that's so. Now you know something. A man called for the money pension at the rate called court. Yes, so any man the crow on him on where. And at the end of the day, I'm conducting thorough investigations about the matter. No, upon the ruling and UK court in the Abano. As on the think of phone in a so behind similar case in you. Asamaba, most office of the special prosecutor, mayor investigations. Onyanya investigation, John Bodumunam Kromha. Say, Omuhu Gio and be a John Mahama. Namu I make it so name. The can in any say excavators Maku 500 a pen drive. Question again of Obuzano. And a shisha man for Boto. Moto came Maku 400 and also a mobile phone and a Machama party agent. Moto Sankasa Maku 700 and also a pen and a pencil. That is the questions. Oh, I'm Roberts in government. Sabi, Debbie America. Send this if we are to Botoma. We am Robert straight. Because they were more psycho mine one captain. Next 4 years, when I'm crowing, bet me at you the one alone and the Kufuado. Are you serious? The Uncle Fonny, you know. The Uncle Fonny, you know. Sagana from fair and Sifom. Says 2020 Abana, your cotton, your G on mine and that chair. Ghana, a boom bobo, my Ghana. Now they are more young in they are more young in Cromhandi. A bamboo penny for party chairman for and a Tom Major Padia. A book on me to say. Now can I cross the captain and send your voice? Momoya be a bit in Yaka. Moya be a intimate because Nanado Danko Kufado, Yagana man penny, all born to our Ghana 40 years on the corruption you want for her. And then another on the motivate or more mobile chrono Kruma. Etigana for your ceremony. Most ones who are and fear Nayan and Nando Batina could a bandicatas channel proya. Ghana phone mistake. Quatas channel pro and I are dear. Why are dear? Because even corruption perception in the scribe at now what they on the con. Of course. And then I buy Mumpenny for a book chronoa, clearing agent, then come of us to see. Captain, when him say, Charles B. Sue the enemy, some man penny in a nice form. And you can't correct the professor from Pomboatemo, and can code 500 excavators. Ebianca 250 and they could do you. But man penny pen of crack, Papa Penny move be a word. Would the end of crack? Why? Then I'll pay we are seeing. One now catching a Ghana for baby with Tiffy and I cannot cry for quay. So we have the men, not knowing say 90% are criminals. And now I'm once around. No, when you're criminal, excavator.
And you don't have the men to say
Captain, excavator.
More men,
only excavator. I'm not you. Yeah, dear, yesterday Ghana for we have the men. Excavators now. Now before we are the baby more kind of swamamo. Eh? Yeah, we are Tony. Inti na ekwa usi minu epeni omra bonte no nkasa minim se eno mbesi achi no sisa no po onkofo ombechi no medonyame captain eyene yeah
Munkoma no $1 million so kasa se mu de mu nche na mo
captain o kan ye den
munkoma no $1 million
ombesi akofa no ye ma ne nkasa ekwa usi the excavators bia chapati mpani for central region monkwaje ye no mra sister cars no kwache wa central region excavators ka monkwaje mra akronfo party ara na mo ya akronfo sa
Eric munkoma no $1 million